Hi there, and welcome. This is Nellie Deutsch, a teacher educator who loves to teach and share. Today I'm going to show you how to turn a PDF file into an audio in a few very simple steps. First thing you need to do is to, of course, make sure that your PDF is on your Google Drive. So you simply go into File, New, and upload it. As simple as that. Going to go into New, File Upload to get my PDF file up on Google Drive. Next, what I'm going to do is go back here and show you how I can turn it, or actually how Google can turn it into an audio. And notice here on the right, there is Gemini. And Gemini is doing all the work. And it's done. You also get email notifications when it's done, so you don't have to wait around. But let's play it.
You know, when you've spent months trying to fix a recurring problem in your office, like maybe a communication breakdown or just a drop in student engagement.
Oh, yeah, and literally nothing changes.
Right, exactly.
Yeah.
It is so frustrating. And usually it's because we're treating the symptoms instead of the actual source of the problem. So for today's exploration into the source material, we're handing you a sort of field kit to change that.
A field kit. I like that.
Yeah. We're diving into the Action Research Project template. Basically, it's a systematic roadmap to turn those,
All right, that's the audio. And notice you can share it by going, right now it's private to only me, but you can go into the share and then make it unrestricted by anyone with the link. Next, you're going to copy the link into your browser. That's always a good idea, by the way. And here it is, exactly the same in this case. Now notice you can download it. You can also add comments, of course. If you'd like to embed it, Google now has another area where the embed code appears. It's under File. So if you go into File and Share, you will get the embed link, which is actually a code. You copy it, and then you can add it anywhere. Let me add it for you in my Moodle. Going to go into Tools, Source Code, and simply paste it. There, I've pasted the embed, and here it is. I can play it. Add to the comments of this video, and subscribe for more. Thank you.